What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So let's recap my June month, which is my third month in real estate. So have I achieved my target? I'm going to just go through what is the target and what is my lesson learned from the month, as I find that the format, I find that this one easier because I address the objective, whether it's met or not met, and then what am I going to do about it, okay? So let's start. The first one, in May, when my second month, before my third month, I said I want 50 listings, whether sell or rent, and then I want to close one rental, which is very, very easy to achieve. Okay, it's a very low bar I set for myself, very low. I still failed to hit it. Okay, why? Because I did not pivot fast enough. You see, when there's new development I'm doing right now, I just blast like 50 a day, and our new development 50, right, I think for rent or sale, and then I should have moved earlier to, let's just say I got like 5 listings, one day I can blast 50, then maybe out of a few days I can get like 5 listings for rent or sell, doesn't matter. I should have moved on to another condo, which is similar, which is not VP not too long ago from this new one. Okay, my area is in Mangsa Maju, so I should have done that earlier. This one, when I blast, right, I blast like 200, only get like 3 only. So I think my conclusion is that either these people, they are still continuing renting, or the VP is not too long ago, so they still have tenants, or most likely, right, frankly speaking, that place is very beautiful, so most likely these people, they buy for own stay, this area. Okay, so next thing is I should have automate this process. What I mean by automate this process is that I know this, some of these agents, not some, most of the agents out there, they are using some software to blast WhatsApp one. I don't know how they do it, but I supposed to find out. Okay, so as I blast the one site to seek for rent or sell, okay, I can actually use my phone to call the others, okay, or call or blast another site or blast another condo, so it'll be faster. Instead of one day can only do 50, I can do 200 in a day, and then finish everything. 200 or 100, doesn't matter. Basically what I'm trying to say is that automate, because it will tie down my time. I go out, go for events, go for lunch. I'm not doing any work, so I should have something there early. Okay, and then the rental, right, I managed to have 2 viewings. So the lesson here is that, like I mentioned in the previous video, rentals, the first one, right, was a full unit. The rental is about 3,500. I explained in the previous video. No COA. You can watch the previous video. The second one was the reason I didn't close is that the expectation of the tenant and the unit is different. So where the story is like that, the tenant is not from here. It's not from KL. They are from outstation. So they don't know this place here. So they come and actually see the place, right, based on the pictures I sent. They thought the place is big enough for 2 people, but actually it's just a studio unit on the side. Okay, the studio unit is a dual key unit, so the owner wants to rent out a studio unit. The studio unit is about 400 square feet, if I'm not mistaken. Basically, you open the door, you can see the whole thing, kind of thing. Okay, then it's up for rent. They thought it's a big studio unit, based on pictures. So immediately when they came for the viewing, I already lost the deal. The moment they saw, I already lost the deal because the mismatch of expectation. I tried to follow up also, and the person didn't really want to talk much. And then after like 1 or 2 days, straight away didn't reply me already. Okay, I proposed another new condo I wanted them to come and see. Totally never reply. So in this business, especially doing real estate or whatever business, no reply is a reply. So don't take it personally. Just move on. Okay? Yeah, just if no reply, then consider the viewing is not around, or the fella is not interested, or the person actually found the place to rent. Especially rentals, because rentals very fast one. Let's just say July they want to, August they want to move in. July they will start searching already. Okay, then you are also expected to close fast because you are agent. So you need to show them fast, you need to close them fast, okay? But that's a story for another day lah. And the studio actually is about 1,000 plus only in the studio. It's 1,000 plus for rent. So I actually get like 2 or 3 inquiries a day. A lot of them don't qualify. I qualify them by asking questions, and a lot of them don't qualify. So this is the only one that qualify. Okay. So the lesson here is next time, right, real estate agents, whether you do it for rent or for sale, take a video of the unit and upload. You don't want to upload to social media, you scared you kena undercut. Never mind. You at least keep somewhere that you can actually send the video to the prospect, okay? Via WhatsApp or via Telegram, doesn't matter. The reason you're doing this, right, is to avoid the mistake that I did. From the photos, the prospect thought it's a big unit because the way we took the photos, okay? The owner also took like beautiful photos, so you don't really see that the studio unit is actually very small, okay? But when you take a video, right, you can actually just one swipe like that, you can see the whole unit already. Then you can really see the size. So please, just take a video. Take a vertical video. I don't care, it doesn't matter. It does not have to be so fancy and put an effect, all this. Or forget it. Just take a simple video just to show the prospect how the place looks like. It's big or small, okay? It also saves you time. A lot of times, right, when leads like this come and ask, I actually ask them whether you see the video or not. Whether you see the video or not. Not yet, go and see first. So that's qualifying. We'll talk about qualifying in another video, okay? So, real estate, still zero revenue as of 3rd month. That means I didn't close anything. I didn't have any commission for 3 months already, okay? What am I going to do for the 4th month? I'm going to work on this software part, like what I mentioned. I need to ask around now. Okay, so if you do real estate now, then you need to ask around. Okay, I cannot be telling you on video like this. So you ask around how it's done, and then I will continue working on it. So 50 listings actually very easy. Rental, yes, I'm quite confident even in July I can do it. And these listings targets here, right, 50, I also very confident can get sale listings because I got some of the friends and family who knows that I'm a real estate agent. They want to sell a house, so they're looking for me. So I'm more than happy. If sale, right, I'm more than happy to go broke. Okay. In fact, I will launch my Telegram channel for you all to see what is available for co-broke sale. Sale because it's big amount, and some more the one place maybe I only have one. What's the point of me holding to one? Might as well co-broke and together we can earn money. Okay. So I also can do a property tour video, which brings me to my next part. On my channel here, property stories, I published 16 videos for last month, June. 2 property tours, got 2 more incoming. I got the keys already, and I aim to have 1 week 1 property tour. Okay, so if agents, you are watching this, you want to have a property tour collaboration, just let me know. Or interior design companies, I did one for Property Buddy. You all can check out Property Buddy. One I did for Plaza Kelana Jaya. They are the one that furnished the unit. Okay, so I did a property tour for them. If you want to contact, you can contact them. Okay. I also have a second channel. I don't know whether how many of you actually noticed the second channel. It's called Hikayah Hartanah. It's in Bahasa Melayu. Okay, I've been neglecting this channel for quite a long time actually. So I plan to, last month I published only about 7 videos. So I plan to have more consistency in these videos, in producing video. So minimum 1 video for 1 channel a week, minimum. But right now I'm producing like 3 or 4 a week. But we shall go to the routines later. And property stories and also Hikayah Hartanah, I've launched the podcast also. I plan to have 1 guest every month. For 1 channel, 1 guest. So you will see 1 on this property stories channel and 1 more on Hikayah Hartanah channel. Okay. So, but the property stories, property tour, I can only, right now I have only capacity to do for this 1 channel. So you will see property tours. I'll be doing more property tours on this channel. Okay. And if you see something that you are interested in, you want to ask, inquire whether it's a buy, rent or sell, please feel free to click the link or any links that I put in the description down below. Okay, it'll be there, very much help. Next one, I got a very good news, but not on real estate. I actually am dabbling a little bit much more on my time on content creation. I have 3 channels on my another channel, which is an entertainment channel. This entertainment channel is monetized, ladies and gentlemen. I've not paid attention to it. This is more of a fun hobby thing. But since I'm doing real estate now, I thought that why not? Since let's just say I go to Sentosa, you can see in my video in this channel, right? There's Rika Residence. So when I go to Rika Residence, that place is well known for Indian food. I went out to go to to try the Indian food. What I did was that I did a video, so I put it on the other channel. So after doing this, right, a few times and more times, my channel is actually finally monetized. It's also built due to one of the videos going viral. So you can check out the channel called Kenny Eats World. I plan to do more content on there and also doing more, opening up more revenue streams in the month of July. But I'm going into paid reviews, okay? Paid reviews for food, for restaurants, but that is another channel, okay? So all this actually contributes to the business. I want to share with you as a real estate agent, I don't think you should limit where your money comes from. You can try everything, okay? Like I always mention, if you don't try, you don't know. See now, content creation about food, what has it got to do with real estate? You may say, Kenny, instead of focusing on this content creation, go and do free reviews for these restaurants that you go and eat. What's the point? YouTube pay you, me? Now YouTube really pays me, okay? Now YouTube pays me for this channel and also that channel. And the best part is that I can take this audience and go to the restaurant and say, hey, would you like to have a paid review? These are my audience metrics, this is my target. I can start selling content creation business, media, okay, on top of my real estate business. You see, it's not every time that you can actually get to close the rentals, okay? Saturday, Sunday, you'll be busting your ass, showing after arranging from Monday to Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, you'll be busting your ass, arranging, viewing, okay? So sometimes close also is hard to come by. So that is another revenue stream that I plan to add. Another revenue stream that I'm planning to add, right, for a month of July is also YouTube memberships. Okay, membership I will launch for both channels, this property storage channel and also the Kenny Eats World channel. What are memberships? Membership is like fan funding, donation, basically donation. You got different tier one, so it allows your fans, right, or anybody to actually support you. So as a content creator and real estate agent, this is a viable source of income. So it's a recurring income until they actually decide to stop. Okay, so I will launch it and the further information will be available later because the memberships, other than membership, I also plan to have like a in-person event. Okay, I already mentioned in-person event will happen when I reach 2,000 subscribers. So 2,000 subscribers, I'll plan a small get together. We can actually get to know each other. Okay, basically that I will explain my plans later. So next one I'll also launch is a one-on-one paid in-person consultation. In person, so you can ask me anything that I cannot answer in this channel. For example, like what? Let's just say you meet me, you have to pay 1 hour how much, and then there's a fixed schedule that I will offer. Okay, I don't offer this much because I really got no time. But if you are interested and you got a burning question to ask me, you are welcome. Okay, you are welcome to pay and ask. I will answer questions like, for example, I look at this project from this developer. You can name names when you meet me. Can buy you ask me direct because I cannot be saying which developer all this down here, cannot. okay? It will lead me to a defamation suit, or you can ask me, or this property guru or this guru have you like been to their classes, or you can just ask me. I cannot also say this on camera. I'll get a defamation suit, which honestly I don't want another headache, okay? But I want to give you all a safe space where you all can answer lah. There will be no recording. It will be in person only, no recording at all. No recording, no phone call, nothing. It's just me and you having coffee, or just eating and you ask me. So that's what I have in mind lah, a one-on-one consultation. Since I get a lot of questions sometimes I cannot answer because the question is too specific towards a person or an organization or something. Maybe they feel that the transaction is something fishy, but I cannot be involved in the transaction, because if to ask, right, I will be involved in the transaction. Number one, what's the point? I don't get paid for it, okay? Now I get paid, you can ask. Number two is that to know how to advise you, right, I need to listen to the story and really note down and see what can be done, okay? I cannot just like give you a general advice. Basically, what I'm sharing with you is that in this channel, I give you all the general advice, general things, general how-tos. I share with you things that you can do, okay? All this general advice, right, what I share with you, if you take action, it can be done one. But of course, some of the things that you take action, right, as you take action, you will meet a stumbling block. And sometimes the stumbling block is very specific to you, okay? So you need to throw the question to someone, like for example, real estate or finance related question, or maybe you have something to question that you want to ask about real estate business, about being an agent, something specific that happened to you. Maybe it's agency matter, maybe how to close, or maybe like your blind spot, what can you do in your business. We can discuss, okay? But that one is all one-on-one. These are the things that you can ask me. Basically, if you need some hand holding, one-on-one is for you lah. I'm going to launch this lah, okay? And like I mentioned just now, I will get new software, focus area, and this month also, July, right, I want to close at least one rent. And for the other channel where restaurant reviews, I want to get at least 5 paid reviews. I have not actually set the schedule yet, but I will start pitching, and I want to get 5 this month, July. 2 podcasts I mentioned already. Okay. So for the Foodies channel, I plan to get some co-hosts to co-host the channel with me. Always my face is also very boring. So I already have some people in mind to invite lah. Okay, we're going to go to shoot video together. Then after that, I think I still owe you guys one more big question actually. I think I've not shared with you why am I so gung ho and come back in this industry, where I told I think in the older videos that I will not come back. Okay, so I plan to do this video, but I think from what I've shared with you today, you can guess roughly that it has to do a lot with online stuff. Okay, online stuff and content creation. You can actually roughly guess already, but I will explain the rationale why. Let me prepare this video and share with you. Hopefully it will give you another point of view on this industry itself. Okay, this is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.